In the Channel Islands hat, you have to do a left crossover stitch, and it's a little unusual, so here's how you do it. You'll bring the green yarn to the front of your work, slip a stitch purlwise, purl a stitch, take that yarn from the back and wind it forward over the top of the needle, and I like to move it to the back to secure it. Then take your left needle tip, lift that third stitch over and off the needle. Then you'll do some purl stitches in the other color. Depending on what row you're on, this could be 3 purls or more. And then I'll demonstrate how to do this one more time. Okay, so once again, you take your yarn and you move it to the front of your needle. You'll slip 1 purlwise, purl 1 stitch, take the green yarn to the back of your work and yarn over toward the front of your work. Take that left needle, lift the stitch over and off.